Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the upper and lower glove boxes from a Mahindra XUV500, and without further ado, let's get into our main video. Now there is a lower one and the upper one. If you want to remove the upper one, you still need to remove the lower one. So to remove the lower one is very easy to do. On the inside of the glove box there's two Phillips screws. Once you take those out, these two screws off, there will be Phillips screws to the bottom of the glove box, and once those are out as well, there's only just a cable that's for the light of the glove box. At the bottom over here you can see there's 4 Phillips screws. Remove them all as well, and then next, gently from a side with a clip remover, give it a little bit of a nudge, and basically the glove box, the lower glove box is detached. All you need to do is unplug the lights plug, and this is the lower glove box, simple and easy off the vehicle. For the upper glove box, you will need to remove, there's 2 Phillips screws over here. This is why you need to take off the lower glove box, remove those screws, and on the inside behind covers there's also 2 Phillips screws as well. And once these are off, the same thing as the lower glove box, you will just need to slide this one out as well. And this is pretty much very easy to do, and anyone can do this at home, whether you want to access behind the glove box or they're damaged. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.